Hello my lovely kids, welcome back to another interesting video. This is Vaishnavi Talk, class teacher of UKG in Happy Day Public School. So today in this video we are gonna do your most favorite section, that is rhyme. So with the help of rhyme we will learn 5 magical words that you can use with your friends, with your teacher and all elders. So let's start. These 5 magical words give you lots of love and respect and admire from your parents, teachers and all elders. And these magical words are sorry, please, thank you, excuse me and welcome. So let's start. If you want something, what will you say? What will you say? You will say please, you will say please. That's what I say, that's what I say. If you get something, what will you say? What will you say? You will say thank you, you will say thank you. That's what I say, that's what I say. If you hurt someone, what will you say? What will you say? You will say sorry, you will say sorry. That's what I say, that's what I say. If you want sneezing, what will you say? What will you say? You will say excuse me, you will say excuse me. That's what I say, that's what I say. If someone says thank you, what will you say? What will you say? You will say welcome, you will say welcome. That's what I say, that's what I say. So kids, how many magical words we have learned? Yes, 5. Yes, we have learned 5 magical words and you have to revise